I'm KJH and welcome to how to use a website or something like that. Well, technically, the actual website is literally coming soon right now, so it's still in the works, so I definitely do have like a Tumblr's account and I also had some other accounts like recently, even though this is not the real website, but the real website is coming soon. And how to explain how this all started. Well, it all starts when my parents were trying to advise me to get a job and thought it would help me raise money for a website or something like that. But then again, I ended up finding another solution. We tried Amazon, but Amazon pretty much make us want to get more information. Like they just want to know our social security numbers and also where more information and also a bank statement or anything else. They just obviously want more from all of us. So, but then again, I decided to sell teachers online. I find a way. What I did find was that I find Print2Fly or Printly or something like that. And they actually do make you want to sell t-shirts online, and you can actually buy samples. And what I did is that I ended up logging into that account, and then I found like a t-shirt and designed it. And they not only make you want to design t-shirts and sell them online, they actually do make you want to design accessories like a cup or a pillow or anything else online, and also a cell phone case, which I ended up selling online. And then you would literally actually sell it for some reason. But for some reason they don't literally sell it on their own website. They just sell it on other e-commerce websites. Like for example, they let you sell it on Shopify, Etsy, and then there's the e-WooCommerce or something like that. And yeah, and eBay's literally coming soon. Just to notice, even though they're about to make a deal with eBay soon. But then again, I ended up picking one e-commerce account, which happens to be the Etsy account, where they let you sell artwork either physically or digitally on the internet, and then you would actually sell them, and then you would literally sell the t-shirt online. Well, eventually they work in two different ways for some reason now. So pretty much from now on, I am going to explain how I'm going to sell the t-shirt online. So let's just get to it. So once you start watching a YouTube channel that says something in the description below, it could be something like from KJH Family and Fun, where they said the link is in the description below. All you gotta do is pause the videotape for a sec, scroll down to the description below, and then you would find this link in the description below. And I'll show you when. Even though this is not the real website, so pretty much I first started using Tumblr when I was first in college. I haven't used it for a while, but I have no idea what I'm going to use Tumblr for. So that depends on me. So I tried using it to post digital artwork online, and then it's now switched into showing what I'm selling online. So once you get here, you kind of see this sign that says K.J.H Art.Studios. So you kind of see this is like a Tumblr account or something like that. So you kind of see that you would see a pillow or even a cell phone case, a mug I'm selling, also some t-shirts, and you would probably find the one that you like the most. You probably might be a video game person, a rainbow person, or something like that. Or you could have possibly been a cupcake person and anything. Well, let's just say that you find the one that you like for instance, let's say you find a t-shirt, either you know a kid who likes video game, or a kid who likes cupcakes and teas and stuff, or a kid who likes rainbow or anything else. Well, let's say you want to buy something for yourself, like for example, this playing video games for adults. So you just click it here, and it will take you all the way to your Etsy account. So once you get there, yeah, even though I'm selling stuff up above, you see that this video game t-shirt, it only comes in two colors. So there's definitely the blue one and also the pink one. So all you gotta do is select a color here. Either you wanted a light one or blue one or light pink one. Let's say that you just obviously want a light pink one. And then you had to select whatever size you wear. Let's say that you wear a size medium, which I always wear, even though the medium just costs like $14.41. And then you click add to the chart, and once you get there, you would definitely see what's on their chart, and they would have like descriptions, like for instance, you want the color pink, light pink, and your size is medium or something like that. But even if you're trying to give it to a gift, you just click this is an order of a gift, and then you would add the note, which is optional. And then you would proceed to the checkout. Either you have pay with each credit cards, or you would pay with PayPal or something like that. So all you gotta do is click proceed to the checkout, and once you get there, you can just sign in. Even if you have your Etsy account, you can sign in and register. But if you don't want to use your Etsy account, that's okay. You can just click continue as a guest. If I were you, And then once you get there, you would have to enter all your shipping address, which includes your email twice, the country you live in, your full name, your street address, your apartment number or something, which is optional if you live in an apartment building, your zip code, your cities, and the state, the area you live, and then you click continue payment. So pretty much payment is where you enter inside of your credit card information or debit card information or use PayPal or anything else. And then you have the review where you pretty much in front you show like your receipt or something like that. And you can also buy either a pillow or a mug that I'm selling. And even if you find the mug that you always want to buy, you can click that. And even though the mug only comes in one color and one size, you can click out of the chart, and then it just continues on for itself. So pretty much they do it for you. And I might have to say, thanks for watching this. You can just hit the subscribe button for more videos by me. You can look at the other playlists on how to use the website. And you can also check out the website once it's done. And I probably had to make more videos on how to use a website whenever a new website gets here. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. Give the artist a high five. So thanks for watching.